Not recommended. It is important you keep listening.